Welcome to school 2. School 2 way.
Actually, my name is Abari. I live in Banana Island. I just came to see a friend here. So? I'm into importing and exporting. I'm a big boy. Really? I just came back and, you know, so that I don't like moving with women. It's not that I'm not looking for a girlfriend. It's just that, you know, fine boys like us. We will not do the look for women like that. Now they rush us. But me, I want to rush you. So yeah. This is one of my cars. Oh, yeah. I have Lamborghini.
It's sexy.
It's sexy.
Like
Good. It's sexy like me. You boom. Take my phone. Put your number inside. If you are less busy on Sunday, I want to invite you. So you will come to Banana Island. Come and, you know, I will spoil you. I have money.
Onye kaga kosala no na golo bolo dogu okazinuma cause when you die egi sevu.
Bye. I'm going to Banana Island.
Banana Island?
Yes.
It's 15 now. How many people?
Just me.
What? Phone card? Jesus is Lord. Oh my God.
That's what you do.
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
This is what we do.
Hey! Lazarus!
Me.
You're a bike man.
Me.
Banana Island boyfriend.
Go for me.
Hey!
Who is the owner of this Okada?
My friend, thank you. Even though I came to
back
visit
this
to
Okada?
Lando. Jesus!
It's not my Okada. See the person that has the Okada here.
Mr. Banana Island.
See somebody that has the Okada here.
Hey!
It's not me. How can I have
School 2.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say a very big thank you to all our friends and all our fans. I want to say keep watching School 2 Comedy. All this also now they see since 9 that they call preamble. Now testing microphone to wait till we get where they come. So don't give up on us. Keep watching School 2 Comedy. We love you.
Like,
Who be this?